We use Pectoralis Major for a lot of movements, and also we usually keep them in a shortened position by slouching shoulder, rounding back, or carrying the head forward. Good thing is it's pretty easy to stretch this muscle. This muscle is often tight when people complain about discomfort or pain in the neck and shoulder, the chest, the back, or the upper arm. And when you get the hyper-irritable spot, aka trigger point, it can cause pain like this. And this muscle originates in the center of the chest and in a rib, and it inserts to the front of the arm bone. So when it contracts, what it does is bring the arm inward. And then if the arm was already up on the side, then it brings the arm closer to the body. So we use this muscle when we hug, apply the deodorant, wrestling, pushing an object away. So double check the origin and the insertion of this muscle again, and let's stretch it. And this is how I do it. Rotate your hands up and then bring the arms back of your body. You can do one side at a time. Activate the muscle in between shoulder blade to bring the arm back. And this is just one way to do it, and as long as you bring the center of the chest and the ribs and the front of the arm bone away from each other, you are stretching this muscle. For example, opening the chest. So here's a pro tip. This muscle is so big and has 3 different fiber directions. So if you want to be really specific to each fiber, you can change the arm height. So if you want to stretch this green arrow fiber, top fiber, you want to have your hands lower than the shoulder height. And then rotate your body away. And then the middle fiber, the black arrow one, is pretty flat, horizontal, so you want to have your arm at the shoulder height. And then when you want to target the lower fiber, the yellow arrow one, you want to have your hands above the shoulder height, and then rotate your body. Also, breathing in helps to stretch this muscle better too. So make sure you follow the basque stretch steps, scan the whole body, and feel what the targeted muscle feels like and another part of the body feels like. And stretch by contracting opposed muscle because you want to strengthen this muscle, right? And make sure you listen to your body carefully. And after you feel stretch or release, scan the whole body again. And don't forget to record what you find from the stretch on the body map. And for your convenience, I made a video that you can do basque stretch with me. But please understand it only holds in a position for 90 seconds, which can't be the exact length your body wants. So please respect your body's request. If it wants to stop beforehand, then stop it. If it wants to keep going, keep going. So please respect its needs, not me. Alright, you are good to go. Happy releasing!